Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: string formattings with escape sequence characters. So first of all, what are strings in Python programming? So strings, it is a collection of any characters. So the basic definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Example: hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent a multi-line string in Python programming. So in string, every character is represented with an index. For example, SS hello. So the indexes for hello, HELLO, will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, left to right in forward direction, and -1 to -5, which is right to left in backward direction. So here we use slice operator, square brackets, to access the characters of a given string. Example: SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So now coming to string formattings. So string formattings, we can represent a string data with escape sequence characters. And these escape sequence characters are backslash followed by a regular character. So we can use new line, we can use tab space, we can use single quote, we can use double quotes, double and single quotes inside a string using backslash. So these are some escape sequence characters, and we can use backslash to ignore a new line inside a string, and then we can also use double backslash n b r t to represent an escape sequence character as it is inside a string without its functionality. And if you want to represent any raw string, okay, without the functionality of escape sequence character, then we have to go with r prefix followed by the string. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program for our clear understanding. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking SS hello new line world, print SS. So we'll execute till here. Right, so save the program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So run it, Python string formattings escape sequence character example 1. Okay, so let us put proper comment here. Right, and then run it. Okay, we are getting an error in this line 41. Okay, so let us remove that error. Okay, so let us run the program here after removing the error. So what is that error? We'll discuss once again. Hello new line world. So come to the next case. Hello tab space world, print SS. Right, so save the program, run it. So hello tab space followed by world, it will consider 8 spaces from the beginning. Right, so next third one, I want to represent, okay, a double quotes inside a string. So for that I have to use backslash followed by double quotes. Right, so double quotes inside a string. Like similarly, if I want to represent single quotes inside a string, then I have to prefix with backslash. Okay, so backslash single quote. So single quote inside a string, hello single quote world. So next I will take backspace, one space back. So hello one space back world. Okay, So here you will get hello, one space back followed by world. So W will replace O, WORLD. Hello O will be replaced by W, one space back. Next, carriage written, it will take the cursor to the beginning of the line. So hello, carriage written, world. So from the beginning, it will write world. So hello will be replaced by world because the cursor goes to the beginning of the line. HELLO will be replaced by WORLD. So next, let us perform how to represent escape sequence character as it is inside a string. So for that, we have to use double backslash. Hello, double backslash, new line, world. Print SS. Similarly, hello, double backslash T. Similarly, hello, double backslash B, double backslash R. And if you want to represent a backslash inside a string, we have to go for double backslash. So it will not give the functionality of new line, tab space, backspace, carriage return, or escape sequence. It will be printed as it is, as a single character inside a string. We have to go for double backslash. Next, if I use backslash at the end of every line, for example, SS hello, hello, single backslash, next line, world, single backslash, welcome. So print SS, it will ignore new line and takes that as a single string. Hello, world, welcome. Instead of 3 lines, as a single line string. So we have to use backslash at the end of each line. Next, raw string. If you want to represent any string as it is on the particular collection of characters without any escape sequence characters functionality or any other special character, we have to go for raw string. So R, capital R or small r is a prefix before the string. For example, D colon backslash core programs, core Python programs, backslash programs. So print SS, it will be printed as it is without any escape sequence character functionality. Right. So for example, if I have something like N, new line, or something like I have something like T, tab space. So this functionality is not involved. It will print that as it is. So instead of using double backslash to ignore the functionality of escape sequence character, we can also go for raw string. It will also ignore the functionality of escape sequence character in a given string. So this is how we are supposed to perform string formattings in a Python program using escape sequence character, backslash followed by regular character. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.